Welcome to QLC online video tutorials. Today we will talk about one of our feature in FieldSense, that is timeout. This feature allows the user to take a break during their working hours, and the break time, or you can say timeout time, will be deducted from their working hours, and during the time period of timeout you won't get the travel route of the user. Let's understand this feature in detail. So first of all, we will see how to enable this feature on FieldSense panel. So in FieldSense, this feature can be enabled by the person who have admin rights. So they need to log in on FieldSense web portal, that is web.fieldsense.in, with their user ID and password, and then they need to switch to admin panel. And when they will be under admin panel, they need to go to the account settings, and under account settings they will find this option, allow timeout. By default, this option will be disable. If they want to enable, simply they need to click on it. And there is another option, if this feature, if you want to allow for all the users which is available on your panel at one go, then click on this option, allow timeout for all user. And to save the setting, click on save and save the settings. After enabling this feature, by default on FieldSense mobile app, under FieldSense menu section, you won't find the timeout option, and these are the options will be available. But after enabling this feature, there is the option will be available, and it will be by default written like no timeouts today, and this button will show in a gray. Now we will understand how to enable this. So in FieldSense application, on FieldSense menu page, user will find this option. If they want to take a break, then they need to click on this gray button, and system will give this message where it is very clearly written like enabling timeout will disable location tracking until you resume back. And the second line is the timeout time will be deducted from your productive hours. So it is very clearly saying if you are enabling this feature, then system will not capture your location, and this time period, your break time will be deducted from your productive hours. So if they click on continue, then they will get another message, location services is not required, you may turn it off. And during this period, if your timeout is continue and if you try to check in, then system will not allow you. Through this message, in order to check in, you need to resume back from the timeout mode. And suppose you forget to resume from this timeout mode, then system will give you the in time period in gap of some time period you will get this notification where it is written like you are in timeout mode for this particular time, do you want to resume back. So there is a two way to resume back. On FieldSense home page, on top you will see this icon. If you click on it, app will allow you to resume back from this timeout mode. And from FieldSense menu section also, if you click on this option, then also you can resume back from the timeout option. And you will see the total hour that you have, total minutes or hour that you have taken for total timeout, and this timeout will be deducted from your productive hours. So now we will see how it looks like in a report. So as a manager or a user, if you want to check this timeout time on a report, then you need to check attendance report. Need to log in on FieldSense web portal, go to the report section, come to the section attendance, where you will see this option timeout, where you will see the total time that user has taken for timeout, and automatically their worked hour will be calculated. And now we will see how we can disable this option, timeout feature, for any particular user. So in FieldSense, admin have rights to disable such a feature. They need to log in on FieldSense web portal, switch to the admin panel, and then come to the user section, where they need to search the user, edit the user, and when they scroll down, they will find this option, allow timeout. By default, this will be enable if you have enabled this option from global setting that we have seen under account settings.